Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a technology that's revolutionizing the way our devices communicate: mesh routing. Whether you're a networking newbie or a seasoned tech expert, get ready for a journey into the future of connectivity. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's unravel the mystery of mesh routing together. First off, what is mesh routing? Imagine a network where every device is interconnected, not just talking to a central router but to each other. This is the essence of mesh routing, a dynamic, flexible approach to wireless communication. Unlike traditional networks, where devices connect to a single access point, mesh routing allows devices to pass information through the most efficient path possible. It's like having multiple highways instead of a single road, ensuring your data always takes the fastest route. Now, why is mesh routing a game changer? 3 words: coverage, reliability, and scalability. From extending Wi-Fi coverage in your home to ensuring cities stay connected, mesh routing is setting the new standard for wireless communication. But where do we see mesh routing in action? Everywhere from your smart home devices to emergency response in disaster-hit areas, proving its versatility and critical role in modern connectivity. No technology is without its challenges, and mesh routing is no exception. Security, complexity, and device compatibility are hurdles we're still overcoming. Yet, the future looks bright as we move towards a globally connected mesh world. There you have it. Mesh routing is not just a technology, it's a revolution in how we connect. As we wrap up, remember that the future of connectivity lies not in the number of routers but in the strength of our connections. Stay curious, stay connected, and for more tech insights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more tech breakdowns and don't miss out on any future updates. Click the bell icon to get notified. See you in the next video.